You could have said you've got something new to show you.
Okay. Yeah.
And then it's Erin. She's not something though, she's someone, but...
Oh, and got something new to show.
I might have been talking then, so just do that again.
Oh, before I forget, we've got something new and different to show you. I can't, not something, is it? Find out, keep watching. Right, so we've had a busy couple of weeks and we've been trying to get a lot of stock in. We're going to do a little drone footage at the minute because we're just reorganising things, trying to get more vans in, so that's going to be popping up. Now, actually, we'll put that in now and then we'll come back to this video. So we was moving things around and it was looking quite nice and full. We've got a lot of stock in, which I'm going to show you two different things here. We'll show you the Caravan, but also Erin. Come on, Erin. So our new sort of sales, marketing, website, pictures, videos. We're getting you all into that side of thing, aren't we? So
anything online, that's me.
Yeah. So this is Erin. Now. This came in on your first day, didn't it, this one?
Yeah.
And let's go and have a look in, because it's got a party trick. Right then. So this was your sort of first Caravan experience, wasn't it, this?
Mm-hmm.
Now, beautiful van. You can see I've put all the lights on there, so it makes it look a little bit nicer. One of the new ones that have come in. But what is it that you sort of, out of everything in this lovely Caravan, what is it that drew your eye to this one?
It was the fridge and the fact it's grey, because I love grey anything. But yeah, no, it was the fridge and the freezer that really caught my eye.
And what was its party trick?
I just thought it opened normally, and you told me it does it both ways, which I still don't understand.
It's mad, isn't it, that? So that's we had a slimline one which was slightly slimmer, but that's the full size version, and it does it with the freezer door. You know what I don't like about that though? The freezer's not got a light in.
Oh, I remember you saying that from the last one, didn't you?
Yeah, I can't remember whether I did or didn't, but yeah, the freezer hasn't got a light in. With it being so cool like that, I'd have liked a light either side of the fridge, and I'd have liked a different colour. I'd have liked to be able to change the colour.
Oh my gosh, you're taking it to the extreme now.
Well, that's it, isn't it? They've got to think of new things. We've got to move forward. 2019 this is a lovely, lovely van. One thing that I've spotted that was really, really good, and this is going to be quite interesting to you actually, Erin, as well, with being younger, hip hop and into all your gadgets and what have you. On the bed, we've got 2 USB ports.
Oh yeah, that's better, isn't it?
So we've got USB ports there. A lot of light switches. We've got a light switch down here which does the light at the front of the bed. We've got a light switch over the other side that does it, so you've got his and hers, or hers and hers, and his light switches.
Theirs.
Yeah, same with the wardrobes.
But what you've missed when you said about the USBs, you've got these little pockets to put your phone in when they're charging.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that.
So you can plug your phone in and put it in a pocket either side of the bed.
I mean, you should see me in the mornings when I lose it down the side.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, trying to find, yeah.
Solves that for
Yeah.
it. Solves that.
Now at the front, what is a bit disappointing, none up there.
Oh, in these lights?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. No. No.
So yeah, none of those lights have got the USB socket.
Is the one there on the side?
Yeah, we've got
they're
two
there
on the side. And this one, can you remember that last Coachman? It got little switches all here, there, and everywhere to put the lights on. This one's just got one. It does both of those. But look at the amount of light switches up the front there in the two front corners. There's two there. There's how many's over there?
Oh gosh, there are 4.
Why do you need that many light switches?
Yeah.
That's a lot of light switches, but an absolutely stunning van. Nice. I like this. That is the proper Dometic chef's.
Yeah, you like that
Hob that is.
top, don't
I'd never use it, but it just looks good. And again, we've got the electric ring on there. Look at the amount of workspace.
I was just about to say, that's a big old piece of work top there.
Now, you do know we've spent far too long in this van because I've got a lot of vans to show you. So let's go and have a look at all the rest that we've got to see. So we've had a lot more vans in. We've had a few Part X's, a few that we've bought in. Another one, and we're going to go on a real quick tour now. So a little Bailey Unicorn Seville, little 2-berth this one. He's in here cleaning it, it's a nice van. So 2 big front seats. This makes into a double bed now. The way that the double bed makes up on this one is actually pulls in from side to side and you chop the legs off in the middle. But yeah, good, nice, easy bed to make up, that one, and very strong. Nice big washroom at the back, which I think Erin's on the camera and she's going to show you that. It's got the Aldi central heating, nice fridge. It's not got a electric ring in this one, so it's just 4 gas burners. But yeah, nice van. Let's go and have a look at what else we've got. We've bought, we actually nearly ran out of money the other day. Well, we did run out of money. It got to the point where we couldn't buy anything else in. This one's sold. I'm going to show you exactly the same but completely different of that in a minute. That makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
Yep.
Same thing, only different.
Yeah.
So yeah, we bought in so much stuff that we ran out of money, which I don't know whether it's a good thing or it's a bad thing. Another one that has just come in, we've bought this one in. Double bed at the front, so that makes into a double bed, and then little cracking fixed bed. And we've got a few more price range vans. We've managed with part exchanges. I think having the more expensive vans coming in has brought the part X's in, and they've been able to buy a little bit lower priced vans as well. So another cracking little van. As I say, this is going to be a whirlwind through ones that we've had come in. Little Modena. This is coming part exchange. And it's not just been where people have been buying or been selling because they're giving up and the fuel costs have gone expensive. Nearly £2 a litre now for the petrol, so it's getting expensive. So it is going to have an effect. It's got to have an effect. People are definitely talking about it, but I think the people that have been selling, it's been quite funny that the people that have sold have been more that they're actually either swapping for a brand new one and they're just not getting as much in part exchange, so we've offered them more and we've just bought it in, or actually people swapping to motorhomes. Don't know why they do that. And statics as well. We've had a few people that are buying statics and we've bought the part X via that. So another Bailey Texas Grand Bring DC. Another cracking van. I'd thought on Tuesday that we'd bought a lot of vans. Nice big van again, nice L shape. 2019, 22995 this one. So yeah, I thought we'd bought a lot of vans, and I was thinking, oh gosh, where are we actually going to put all of these vans? We'd have to start putting some of the vans into storage. Walked in this morning and we've started to have a bit of move around with the sold ones, and it looks like we've got a load of spaces again, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, another nice van. Some of the vans we're just going to show you the outside of. There's a video that I want to do on a special little cracking van. I'll show you that in a minute. Bailey Pageant. What is it? Little Monarch. Nice little price range van that'll be. We've got an Aldi Avanta that's just come in. That's coming part exchange. That's going to be a cracking van. We've had that for a minute. The Abbey Spectrum 540, that came in, and within a week that had gone. A nice big twin axle as well, that is. So again, it just shows that people aren't being put off with the bigger vans for towing, etc. Now this little beauty, we're going to do a separate little video on that because that is a cracker. Little Venus, they've got a few that have just come in. A little older one again, this was part exchange. Let you just have a quick squint into there. So again, as I say, just getting a real good variety of stock. I had a quick look through earlier and we've got some cracking vans now. And a bit of everything. Big Buccaneer Clipper, that is sold. Now this is the van that is the same but completely different to the one that I was showing you a minute ago. Sprite Major 4 EB 2020. Now the other one is exactly the same, except it's completely different because it's got different graphics, different interior. This we've got the sort of tartan look and the tartan pillows. The other one has sold already, but it's pretty much identical, just slightly different on the upholstery. It's got the, you see that panel up above, you won't know this, Erin, but that panel for 2022 and 2023, they've stopped doing that in a lot of the vans. Can't get the parts. So 2020, it's still got it. I believe this has got a solar panel on as well, but I might be talking about the other one, so don't quote me on that. Right, let's have another look at some of the other vans that have just come in. Now, as I say, I thought we'd got a lot of stock back in, and I thought, oh gosh, where are we going to put everything? We've got a motorhome. That's coming on sale very shortly. But actually, now that we've had a bit of a move around, we've got about 3 spots down on our front line, so we need to get these filled. The little Bailey Olympus, that's just come in. Cracking 2018 Bailey Unicorn Valencia. Gonna have a quick look in that one. Another really nice van. It's got a motor mover as well on there. I'm lost with all the vans that have come in. We've had a lot of stock come in. We've really tried to stock up. I think there's, as I say, we've got a couple of vans in storage, so we're hoping June is going to be a big month. Is fuel going to have a different opinion on that? So whether it's going to affect things, we're going to see. May, we had a cracking May, a good May, one of our best May, I think it was. So I'm hoping that it's going to continue. This little Challenger, that's a cracking little 4-berth van. It's 9995, again, good price range van. His wife hated caravanning. They bought it over COVID. His wife hated it, and they've sold it. They're never ever going to caravan again.
Isn't they Lunar?
No, little Lunar.
Like
this is
Lunar.
a nice van. Yeah, a very nice.
It's got the nice sunroof in it.
Look at these. Look at these plonkers, 3 of them, to make one video.
Yeah, this is a nice one. This would be a nice one to finish on, actually.
It's lovely.
So we've got that big sunroof in it. Has it got the Aldi central heating in it? It has. And then we've got the nice bed and a nice washroom. Cracking van, this is. Been really well looked after. So again, yeah, this was part exchange. It's been a bit of a fast and furious video, really. Introduced you to Erin, so hopefully you're going to see a little bit more of Erin. She's just got to get over those nerves and throw her in at the deep end. But yeah, hopefully you've liked our little bit of an update. This weekend, I'm going to try and get this video out on Friday evening. So Sunday the 12th, the roads by us, one of the main roads from the M54 to us, is going to be closed. So if you're coming to visit us on the Sunday the 12th, you need to come through Wolverhampton and just have a look for road closures, etc. on Google Maps. Thanks for watching. It's been fast and furious. Good to see you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't know where to look, which camera.